Hello guys, welcome to the orbit of the coding. So today I am going to present what is a file in part 1 session. So I already created part 2 and part 3 video session. Please go through the sequentially if you want to need more understand about the file handling, stream reader, stream writer, how to write anything in the files, how to create a files. You can go through all the videos. So in today's session I am going to explain what is a file. So a file is a collection of data stored on a disk with a specific name, extension and directory path. When you open file using C# for reading and writing purpose, it becomes stream. So what is a stream? So when you open any files, you read or write something through the code, C# code, that file becomes a stream. So the question coming in your mind, what is a stream? So a stream is a sequence of bytes traveling from a source to a destination over a communication path. So basically there are two main stream. One is input stream and other one is output stream. So input stream is basically it's used for reading data from the file. So if you perform a read operation or read anything from the file, it's called input stream. And the output stream is used for writing into the file. So this is for a write operation. If you perform anything writing into the files, then it's go to the output stream. That's, I hope, clear those point: input stream, output stream and the files. So the next, why do I need to learn file handling or learn file in C#? Why do we need? We have a database, we can store the information in the database. Why we need to write something inside the files? So what is the actual use? So as a C# programmer, we need to save some information on a disk. We will not get a database everywhere to save the information, and our project may require saving information in text file, doc file, XLS file, PDF file or any other file type. So we must know the concept of saving data in a file, that is how to handle file in C#. The term file handling refers to various operations like reading the file, writing and append file etc. So in the part 2 session I already explained how to check like which folder file name is exist in our drive or not, how to delete the file, how to create the files in the part 2 section. So now I just bit more explore about the file properties, file methods. So if I am going to the metadata, then we can see that we have bunch of operation that would help to modify file, append any line in the file, read file, writing a file. If you need to some information you want to decrypt, encrypt, that purpose we are using a file static class. So here you can see that, so file is a static class and this belongs to system dot I dot input dot output. System dot io, that's means input output. So thank you guys, that's it for the part 1 video, and hope you have learned something. So happy learning, and thank you all.